This video is sponsored by Fiverr. For this episode of Mystery Tech, we've got a little bit of something different. You know what that little bit of a different thing is? Whatever Ken's about to throw at me to start this section of Mystery Tech. Oh my gosh, it's a present. Is it my birthday?
We went to Jared.
Okay. Did one of you guys wrap this?
No.
No, this was an option for $1 extra when we bought it.
Wow. Wow, you'll never guess what's inside. Oh, you know, I can guess. Something bad. Is that an Austin potato? Is that an Austin potato? Did you send an Austin potato? I love it. I love it.
Holy crap. That's really impressive.
The resemblance is uncanny. Do not eat this potato. Potato parcel is not liable for any illness if the potato is eaten.
Take a bite.
No, this is great. Can I ask how much the potato parcel cost?
$26.
Why? But if you've ever watched the Broke vs. Pro series, you'll know that Potato Austin shows up all the time. I don't actually know how long Potato Austin's been around, but every time I watch one of our videos, edit team keeps putting more and more Potato Austins involved, and I'm honestly very, very excited about this.
We don't need Potato Austin anymore, because now we got our awesome animation characters from Fiverr.
Are we about to have one of the Fiverr animated characters pop up right beside Potato Austin right now? Right there? There? Whoa, so lifelike and realistic. Wait, here, watch. Josh is gonna kill me.
What are you gonna do with that potato parcel?
Put the potato parcel. Here, we're gonna give it to Roboraptor to guard, okay? So, just Roboraptor, don't let anyone steal my potato until it rots and we have to go plant it in the ground. Now, because this episode of Mystery Tech is sponsored by Fiverr, they actually have given us the opportunity to do something a little bit different. So if you're not familiar with Fiverr, it is an excellent online marketplace that is entirely dedicated to giving you access to a huge variety of freelancers. Now, of course, we make a lot of video content. And while I'd like to think that we're pretty good at making video, we aren't necessarily as talented when it comes to something like, oh, I don't know, graphics for Mystery Tech, or a jingle for Mystery Tech, maybe even some little characters to help spice up the episodes. So why don't we take a look at our fine sponsor Fiverr, see if we can find something that ups the game a little bit.
Do they have new hosts?
Are you trying to replace me with a freelancer from Fiverr?
Yes.
That hurts. So here's someone who will do Twitch emotes, which is not technically what we need, but this is clearly someone who is talented at creating character art. So what we can do is, let's hit up a few of these people. Let's get some quotes, explain to them what we need. And then you, dear viewer, will be able to see exactly the fruits of our Fiverr handiwork.
I like how you say that we're gonna be doing anything other than...
No, we're just asking for some help from the kind freelancers at Fiverr, and they're going to do some amazing work to make Mystery Tech a series that you actually want to watch. So if you're working on your next project, definitely be sure to go check out Fiverr at the link in the description, and if you use the promo code AustinEvans, you can get yourself 10% off. Oh, what? I couldn't even finish my jump! All right, the Smart Tech handcrafted calculator. A Smart Tech calculator? Well, there's clearly a big lump here. Do I attack the lump? It's like a tumor.
Like a tumor!
Oh, wait a minute. Is this a wooden keyboard? Ken, did you find a wooden keyboard on Amazon?
Yeah. It should be a whole set too.
Healthy, eco-friendly, and fashionable. 3 things I love to see out of my wooden keyboard, mouse, and bamboo solar calculator. How much was the wireless multimedia bamboo keyboard and mouse combo featuring a calculator?
It's about 50 bucks.
It's actually not bad. It's not bad.
For a whole kit?
Hopefully it doesn't feel too wooden.
Oh, you stink!
Well, that's I mean, I'm not sure what I expected. To tell you the truth, I don't know how okay.
It actually doesn't look that bad.
No, I agree. It looks kind of nice.
I mean, it is full wood everywhere. Got our bamboo mouse, which I've got to say is hilariously small. Oh, I need batteries. Look at that. So we actually have like a little a foam pad inside, but it is actually full bamboo. I don't see any plastic on this at all besides I guess maybe a little bit where the sensor is. The fit on these batteries is atrocious. It's almost like they made it out of wood or something. Woo!
My eyes!
It's on! Yeah, the mouse works.
Looks really nice with our table.
It's actually not like crazy bad, right? I will say, looking at it, I mean, it's a little weird. You can see some of the bigger keys have been jointed. So there's a joint here, joint here, joint here. Like, it's certainly a lot of pieces that have all been kind of like machined down or woodworked down. What's the phrase for woodworking?
Woodworking?
Woodworked down? I don't think that doesn't sound right. 74 words per minute. That's actually not crazy far off my normal typing speed. It's a little strange, right? It does feel a lot like a membrane keyboard, which it most certainly is. The big thing that really makes this different and the actual usability side is just the fact that these keys are flat. They're very flat. Like the actual little like scoop for where your sort of finger rests in the keys is next to non-existent. Which, if you're a confident typer, you don't really need that help. But I find like my fingers almost slide around a little bit on the keys. I mean, this thing looks cool. It might not necessarily be my style, right? I mean, I need that RGB razor chroma action, not the I'm a person who lives in the woods and I have a keycap. What's my summit, Matt? Reach your summit, mountain. Oh, okay, keyboards. Oh, is this a good keyboard instead of bad keyboards?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I actually feel honored that I'm looking at good keyboards today. Okay. Woo! Okay. What's the deal with this? I've never actually even heard of Mountain before.
So they sent this out to us. It is a relatively modular keyboard.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow. That's a lot of stuff. Holy. This is one keyboard. Do you see this? This is all one keyboard. Look how much stuff comes in the box.
It seems like with everything, 270.
So the number pad can go on either side. So it's got a couple of USB-Cs and you just slide it out which one you want to attach.
Oh,
so,
that's cool.
Woo! We got RGB. So we've got our little display here as well as we have our display here as well. When you look at the keyboard space, beyond stuff like building a full custom keyboard, there's not a lot of crazy differences, right? Like, oh, I have this more RGB here, there, whatever. Like, typically you would have to get into the custom space to find something which is truly different. But when you look at how many modular abilities that this keyboard has, and honestly, how smart it is, right? The fact that I can just take this off, flip it around, and in like 5 seconds, move it over to the other side of the keyboard, it's cool, right? That's a cool feature. The fact that I can just take this off, done. Look at that, right? Completely reconfigure the keyboard in like 10 seconds. But having all of this in a keyboard, which, yeah, it's pricey, but compared to some of the other high-end gaming keyboards out there, it's not crazy. I'm legitimately really happy with how solid this thing is. So at this point of the video, you've likely seen the fine assets that we've gotten from the freelancers on Fiverr. However, at this point, I actually haven't. So the first thing we've got is the Mystery Tech jingle. Yo, that's really like mystery techy. This is all like completely original music too. Wait, let's see the other options. Do you know how much we paid for someone to make this completely custom mystery tech music? Just take a guess.
$150.
$89.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow.
It's actually really good. So we also have a bunch of other assets that we've got. So you've definitely seen this in the video already, but we basically have all of these little emotes of the team, which previously we had like Potato Austin and whatnot, but now we have everyone. So the next thing we sent out is a Mystery Tech logo. So this is what we got back, and honestly, I feel like it captures the vibe of Mystery Tech well, but it's not just the logo, because then we took this logo and we sent it off to be animated into the transition that you can see right here. I am really happy. So big thank you, of course, to Fiverr for not only sponsoring this video, but for also spicing up some Mystery Tech action. Is that a PS1? Is that what I see? Is this a PS1 screen and a PS1? Okay, so if you are born in the 90s, you might be familiar with this little console called the Sony, what do you call it? The PlayStation. Yeah, that was it. Yeah. So this is the cool kid version, which was not only incredibly tiny compared to the original PS1, but importantly, had the 5-inch LCD screen. It was like when we built the Ultimate GameCube, except 5 years before that and probably better in every single way.
This is also official. Our local store,
Okay.
mind you, they definitely upcharge us a little bit, but we want to
They
support
see
our
you
local.
walk in, they go, oh, Ken's wasting money, so it's fine.
Well, we support local businesses here, especially, you know, mom and pop video game ones.
Just tell me how much the stupid things were.
$300 each.
Actually, that's not terrible.
Not the best, especially, you know, if you shop around online, you can definitely find them for probably like, you know, $100 to $200 cheaper.
Yeah.
But for ones that we could just get right away and can actually see in person.
Oh, yeah. The PS1 controller. Not to be confused with the PlayStation 1 controller, because this one actually says PS1 on it. Wow! Gee whiz, Paul! This is great. Are you sure this isn't brand new? Because this looks completely brand new.
If it isn't brand new, it's really well taken care of.
It has a, wait, it has a sticker on it? Oh, this is definitely used. Someone put a sticker on it. Look at that. Oh, this is actually kind of interesting. So it actually gives you extra ports. So normally the PS1 just has the power and the AV out. This also has a headphone jack and AV in. So you could now use this screen to say watch Nickelodeon or something, but you also could plug in a pair of headphones. Nice. We'll start out with some Need for Speed 3 Hot Pursuit, the best Need for Speed of all time. Don't at me. Right in the nostalgia. Woo! You need to do drugs, so you can just listen to that.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, these graphics are better than I remember.
Dude, this game does not look bad, right? I've got weather effects. I will say this screen is not the best, though. It's very much one of those late 90s, like, LCD panels. It's okay, but if you have the viewing angle even slightly off, like you're sharing with like your little brother or something, it's really hard to see. Let's swap over to some Harry Potter. I don't think our copy of Sorcerer's Stone is any good anymore. You can hear the disc is it's not reading.
There was nothing about the
Look at that! Voice acting in a PS1 game.
Who needs to read the books when you got this?
Look at that. Look at the power of the PS1! So this is that early sort of game where it's third person, but like I can't control the camera, right? I'm just being able to use the left like analog stick to move around. This game was incredibly ambitious for the PS1 though. There was a lot that was going on. Wow, I don't actually remember this game running at such terrible frame rates. I didn't even know what a frame rate was back then. Dude, I'm so happy. This is legit. This is the dream. This is the 2000 dream.
I think in the year 2000 you wanted a PS2.
No, you wanted the PS1, Ken. There was no screen to attach to a PS2. What are you gonna carry around the CRT on one arm and your PS2 in the other? Pfft.
No, they made PS2 screens, dude.
Wait, they did?
I mean, not official, but yeah.
Oh. So we're getting that for next episode of Mystery Tech?
Actually.
Woo! Euler's disc. I hardly knew Euler.
What?
Euler's disc. Spinning science into art. You won't believe your eyes or ears as the disc spins faster and louder. So if you've watched Mystery Tech before, you'll know that we have a propensity for taking a look at slightly more fun and unique items, such as things that zip, zap, zoop, and zop. Now today, the Euler's disc seems very much like the kind of product that will just fit right in. So we've got the Austin mirror where I can stare at myself. So basically hold it upright, slightly angled onto its rolling edge and give it an easy twist. Set that right here. Angle it. Whoa, whoa, oh, I feel the magnet. Okay, and then just twist it. What? Wait, it just keeps going? I mean, it's going for a very long time. It just doesn't want to give up. Yo, this is trippy, man. It's still going. This is the first time I've spun it. Is it about to disappear out of existence?
There it is.
Whoa! That was like the coolest like sci-fi sound I've ever heard. Ooh. All right, here we go. Okay. Dude, this is trippy, man. Dude, it straight looks like it's just like appearing and disappearing right now. I really wonder what this thing looks like in slow motion right now. Because like to my eye, it just looks like it's like flickering in and out of existence. Oh man, look how fast that is! Yo, that is so cool. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is like a hanger, high res. Oh, okay. That looks like some Sony action. MDR M1ST. Let's see what our friends over at Sony have to pleasure me orally.
Orally.
Wait, no.
Oral.
No.
Oral bliss, man.
No. That was the worst one. That was actually the worst one. So these are the successor to the most popular studio headphones in Japan.
The 7506s?
No,
Okay.
but the next step up to that, they are the CD900 STs.
Okay.
They're literally in every recording studio in Japan, more or less.
Ooh, wow. These are actually very nice. These actually have like some really nice leather to them. It's certainly a little bit more of like a modern style, which makes sense because they're going to be making these uninterrupted for the next 30 years. How much were the MDR M1 STs?
$300. I also got you a spare cable that Sony also sells.
Can we just not pretend with words like, I got you a cable? Can we all just be in agreement?
A cable.
Keep going.
I got me a cable.
There you go. That's it. So to test these headphones, I don't listen to any of your fancy high-res audio that this DAC and headphones are designed for. So I'm gonna listen to Spotify with my $80 cable.
I literally have Amazon Music Unlimited HD.
It's so okay. It's fine. Oh wow. You know what? I immediately have a problem with these. These cushions do nothing.
Are the drivers too close to your ears?
I'm literally, yeah, exactly. Like, look.
Yeah, that's a common complaint. That is, we need to also get I have to get third-party pads for this.
Really? Nah, man. I want to be rude.
Great way to start it.
But I'm not impressed at all. Maybe they just need to be burned in a little bit. It sounds a little too airy to me. I don't know if it's because the drivers are like so close to my eardrums or something. They don't sound good. They sound fine. But certainly for the price, I don't know.
Let me actually see.
Jump in. I'm super curious. I'm not feeling it.
I kind of see what Austin's saying. But I do feel like, yeah, these are where did he go? I can see
welcome to my much better headphone corner. These are the Grado SR325Xs, headphones that are gonna sound far better than your nonsense. And
I am surprised that you got an actual legit pair of headphones and not
handmade in Brooklyn.
I'm from Brooklyn.
I know, you were handmade in Brooklyn too. These are their latest generation. They've got like some new drivers and stuff. They were fairly expensive. They were...
How much is fairly expensive?
I also just want to point out that he always gets mad at us when we don't have the prices immediately available.
Yeah, Austin, how much are these?
$295.
$295, all right.
Less than your nonsense.
Actually,
Mystery Tech, it's your show now.
Okay.
Everyone likes you more for some weird reason. I don't know why. Go ahead.
Wow.
Go ahead. No. Unbox. Show it off. Show off why the Grados are great and why your headphones suck. Why I'm a better host. And why Fiverr can't save you now.
It's great because finally the boss acknowledges you for once. Man, this box looks really, really nice. All right, and oh, these look like the SR80s, just silver.
What? They're metal. They're totally different. Look at the stitching on the headband.
Cool, I guess. These feel like they will hurt a lot. Do you see how little padding that is? These are really, really well built though. They feel nice in hand.
You see the girth on them?
It is meaty. Not that Austin would know what that's like. I mean, these are definitely a better listening experience for the average person, I'll say that.
Almost like it's better for your average consumer.
These headphones are just as good as Austin say they are. They're very warm, the vocals sound very rich. I like these a lot, they're great. Are these for you?
Yeah, these are mine.
Okay, cool. I thought so. Well, you take your $300 headphones and I'll take my $300 headphones.
Wow, it's almost like it's happily ever after. Wow, your head's really large. Have you ever...
Where's my headphones?
You call my head large? Well, yeah.
You got a big head, man.
Thank you.
You walk through without... Big thank you to Fiverr for sponsoring today's episode of Mystery Tech. Don't forget to go check out the link in the description and use that promo code AustinEvans at checkout to get yourself 10% off.